Just travelling casually through some reeds here. I was like, we're heading towards reeds here. Is this normal? And then it was like, bang. It is just past 4:30 in the morning. We are up getting ready to go to Mr. Mullet's hostel here in San Pedro for a 12-hour shuttle to Rio Dulce. So we're traveling with...
And I just tried your first video.
This is Vincent. From Germany. We're going to be traveling with him. And obviously, you know, Kylie. A main character in the story. Hola, Keely. Right, we've reached stop number 1, and that is back in Antigua again. We've got off our bus and now we're getting in a taxi. We have a 2-hour wait here for another bus. Are you excited about Rio Dulce, lads? Yeah, me neither.
What did he say?
Gracias. So we have just arrived in Rio Dulce after a long day of travelling, and we're in a slight rush because there's a guy and a boat waiting for us, and we're about 45 minutes late. So hopefully he's still there. Bit of a mad trip. We ended up doing like 5 different modes of transport. We started off with the shuttle, then the car, then the small bus, then the coach, and now hopefully a boat. Where is this place?
Where is it?
We're literally just on a random jetty here looking for this man. We have our guy and our boat. This is hilarious. Okay, we've just crashed. We just crashed into a tree. It's hard to see. You can see there's the branch. Are you alright?
Yeah.
This thing is collapsed.
That was so scary.
Kylie, you were the first to get the impact there. How was that for you? I was like, we're heading towards reeds here. Is this normal? And then it was like, bang. Just travelling casually through some reeds here.
Maybe we should like them.
So I think we have arrived. Oh, dry land.
Pagar aquí?
Sí, sí, pagar conmigo.
Okay. Yeah.
2, 3, 4.
Well, we finally made it to our accommodation, and in fairness, it's worth it. So myself and Sarah here, Kylie's over here, and Vincent is downstairs in here. So we're going to head up to the restaurant now for some food, I think. Hij zou het wel doen.
Wel de kaart pakken. Wow.
Didn't really sleep amazingly last night. It started to rain very heavily in the middle of the night, and I was like bashing off this galvanized part. It was really, really loud. Now, I'm late for breakfast.
I was thinking about something else.
Thank you.
Still so nice.
Sandwiches come in only extra large. I'm gonna head down to the lake now to ask Sarah what time we're heading towards these baths or these pools that we're gonna go to, I think. Oh, it's class. So what's the plan?
We get some kayaks, go to that restaurant, and then go to the hot springs.
Is the restaurant over here?
I think there's two. There's one.
Where's the seafood one? That way?
Yeah.
Right, I think I need to put on my swimming tux because that water is calling and it's really, really hot. This is the way I'm going to try and get myself used to this water, which is very green and murky looking. Ugh. It wasn't as cold as I thought it was going to be honest.
Yeah.
Literally off camera just there, something was like nipping at my feet. And we think it's like a turtle, yeah?
Because one bit me earlier on, yeah, and it felt like a
little bit of a nipper, yeah?
Yeah.
I can't really relax in that water then.
I'll go up the steps maybe. Oh my god. I'll not to do it. I don't even know how to go there.
It was into one of these last night that we crashed, and there was like a big branch in the middle of it. And of course, the two people we were paddling with have gone way ahead. Maybe it's because I'm recording and not paddling. This is our table, but we've been distracted by some sort of swing, and there's also like slides down here. Alright, it's slide time. That one is sore on the back. 3, 2, 1, go! Got it! That over there is free, but it's not that great. The water's not that hot. You pay 15 quetzales per person to get into a cave. You get flashlights, and apparently the water is way hotter in there. So we're gonna head in now.
Wash your head.
Wash your head.
Wash your head. Doing this to bare feet is a terrible idea. Vincent's getting a free massage here. Gracias.
Okay. Este Alemania.
Irlanda?
Holandés.
No, Irlanda. Alright, apparently the sauna's this way. Maybe not in the cave. Maybe a huge bit of miscommunication. We'll have to wait and see. Oh my god, okay, I need to like take off my top
Can you
here.
smell the egg? It's a smell of sulfur.
I played with one.
How would you describe that, Sarah?
Yeah, it was fun.
We went into this really, really small little cave with maybe ankle high, very hot water, and we kind of sat and waded in that for about 10 minutes. But it smelled really, really bad, like rotten eggs. Now we're heading back because we need to get back before it gets dark. We are leaving this place today and it's raining again. It seems to be a morning thing. Now,
Alright, now I think I'm ready for you.
I think my girlfriend already you did the totting up. It's like something like 795, somewhere around the 800 mark.
Probably somewhere in that ballpark, but we'll...
Yeah, do the calculations. The plan today is to head to Puerto Barrios. We've been sitting here for the last 2 hours and it has been absolutely lashing. So we're both kind of worried about our bags and keeping our stuff dry because none of us have bag covers. So yeah, hopefully it stops. Right, I don't have a bag cover, so I've had to resort to this, using this rain jacket. It's just like a real human being.
Hoy, no accidente, por favor.
I'll subtitle that. Bye. So we have just arrived in Puerto Barrios now. We have been told that this place is dodgy. We literally just off this boat and a guy here is saying he has a hotel for us. So we're gonna follow him now and see what this hotel is like. This is what we have. Myself and Sarah are here. Nobody's gonna be here, the rest are next door. That's some TV. So we just checked in there. We're heading out now to get some food. I'm going to give you a nice tour of Puerto Barrios. Right, we're back in the hotel. We got some snacks, we got some drinks to kind of tide us over for the next 2 hours. Then we're gonna go to bed and we're up early tomorrow because we're crossing into Honduras on a chicken bus. So I'll see you in the next one. Honduras, Guatemalan border. Let's be having you.
Frontera, Guatemala.
No. Say, guys, lads. No.
Zapero, Sula.
Why is he
No,
what the f is going on? No, don't touch me, please.